Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. You have to start by open App Store and then go to the search right here at the right bottom. Now click at the search line at the top and write SOUNDCORE. Now search, and you should install this application, what called SOUNDCORE. Now open it. If you need notification, click allow. If you don't need, click do not allow. Right here you need to click at the agree and continue, and in this menu you can log in into your account, or you can create a new one by click at the sign up. At the right top you can select your region, and at the left top you can skip to enter account. And I don't want to enter my account, so I'm just going to skip it. Then click OK. Right here click allow, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!